Hey guys, in this video I'm going to show you how you can install VLC Media Player on your Ubuntu operating system. So let's get started and let's see how we can do it. So first of all, open the terminal. To open the terminal, you can click on this show apps icon and then click on the terminal option, which is going to open the terminal. Here, first of all, we are going to give the update command, which is going to update your package list to make sure that you have the latest information available for your package, which is VLC. So I'm going to just write sudo apt update here and then press enter and then give my Ubuntu's password, which I use to log into my Ubuntu operating system, and then press enter, and it's going to update the package list. Once this command is done, you can install VLC Media Player using this command, which is sudo apt install VLC. So this is the main command using which you can install VLC Media Player, which is sudo apt install VLC. Press enter here and then press Y and then press enter once again. And now we just need to wait for a few seconds until this command is finished. So once this command is finished, we can minimize our terminal, and then once again we can click on show apps icon, and here you will be able to see the VLC Media Player icon. You can also search for VLC in the search bar and you will see the VLC Media Player icon here. So click on this VLC Media Player icon. Here you can see this message for the first time. It says privacy and network access policy. I'm going to click on continue here, and now VLC Media Player has been launched on my Ubuntu operating system. So now you can start using VLC Media Player. You can open any audio or video file which is present in your Ubuntu operating system and then run it. So I'm going to just open this file here and then click on open, and then I can see this video is played in my Ubuntu operating system. So this is how you can install VLC Media Player on your Ubuntu operating system. I hope you enjoyed this video and I will see you in the next video.